Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter weight on the Strava application. So first of all, all we need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow, sorry, not browser, just go and open whatever phone or tablet you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, once you open your phone, you will need to go and open the Strava application if you already have it. Of course, if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open it up. And of course, for you, if it's your first time, they'll ask you actually to log in into your account. So of course, if you have one, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't have an account, they'll give you two options to create your account: a Facebook option, a Google option, and an email option. So once you add one of those two options, which is actually the signing in or logging in, you'll find yourself here with this home screen or this main screen. And of course, here you'll find just the posts or the segments that you already added into your Strava application. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to enter our weights on the Strava application. So of course, if we want to do that, we can just go here to this U at the bottom right corner. And once we click on it, we'll find ourselves here at this page. Of course, here, once you are there, make sure to click at the settings button at the top right corner. And once you are here, and of course, from here, you'd like to click a link other services and then click at connect a device to Strava. Of course, if you have a device that can measure your weights and it's one of those brands, make sure to select it, or you can just click here to see more devices. And of course, you'll be able to choose your device to measure your weight for you. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.